My name is Bryn Pryor, and I'm a family friend of Adrian and Ava.
I think when anyone applies to or get nominated for something like the Neighborly Project, it's kind of a far-fetched idea. It's kind of like, okay, if it happens, it happens. But it actually happened. So I was so thrilled, so excited. I've been there for 17 years and the home is 20 years old. So yeah, I'm excited about everything.
We decided to do the Neighborly Project because so many of the brands have talked over the years about giving back to our community. And it was last year, Five Star Painting and Mr. Handyman and Glass Doctor were at a local event together. And we said, we really should start trying to, organize some sort of project. And so I went through all the different ways we could give back, and everyone threw out ideas. I landed on the idea of picking someone from the Down syndrome community, mainly because we have a son who is 7 and he has Down syndrome. And so for us, it was a personal connection, but also a way for all the brands to kind of have that connection, with the Down syndrome community, which is huge here in Atlanta.
When the opportunity arises for us to do something to support our community of Atlanta, the community's been so good to us, it's the least we could do.
Makes me feel good about being able to spread the word to say that, hey, I was a part of something greater to give back to someone in need.
I want my Shelf Genie Atlanta to be part of this collective effort to help a family in need of a home improvement.
Participating in this project has given me a great feeling right here in the gut about helping out this family. When I first met the family, I just knew instantly that that was the people we wanted to help out.
It gives us a purpose. Aside from just growing a business and providing a great place to work, it also gives us an opportunity to give back to the community.
To be able to give and receive, it's just an unbelievable blessing, and it's just the purpose of life, to be able to bless others and be appreciative of what you get and what you can give.
For me and my team who's helped with Adrian and Ava, we have just grown to think of them as part of our family. They're so full of joy and love, and it's just been a really special week.
I can't even imagine. I mean, I saw before pictures and now I'm sitting in the after. I have to believe it's a whole new start for her. Not only a start for Adrian, but for Ava. And I would imagine that things get very overwhelming, and I think that this will actually let her breathe.
Yes. Oh, thank you. Beautiful. Oh my God. You have a new sofa. I love it. Oh, wow.